On today's Disney Roundup, Disney 100 festivities coming to Walt Disney World, more 50th decor removed from Cinderella Castle, and the first trailer has been released for Wish. I have all that and more for you coming up right here on the DRU.
To infinity and beyond!
I'm in the mood to help you, dude. You ain't never had a friend like me.
Hey everyone, Jeff here, and welcome to the Disney Roundup, where I bring you up to date with all the latest Disney and Disney Parks news each and every single week. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. Starting off with parks news, beginning this month at Walt Disney World, Disney has shared some of the Disney 100 festivities that will be coming to the resort. Now at Walt Disney World, Disney has shared some of the magical limited time offerings that will be sprinkled throughout the resort, with many more set to come. As previously shared, EPCOT will be the center of the Disney 100 celebration at Walt Disney World, with the park's multi-year transformation to culminate later during the year. Meet and greets with Mickey and Minnie in their platinum attire will be available, and where you can meet them along with other details will be announced on a later date. The night sky will light up with a dazzling spectacle of colors and lights as Spaceship Earth honors Disney 100 with a special display later in 2023. Imagineering has been dreaming up new ways to honor this important milestone by turning to their own cherished memories and favorite Disney stories as they create this one-of-a-kind display. Disney 100 signage has also been added to each park's entrance with photo ops available. If you're staying on property, be on the lookout as characters will be stopping by for an impromptu photo opportunity. As the Disney 100 celebration ramps up at Walt Disney World, you may run into some of your favorite Disney characters in their platinum best as they pop up at various Disney resort hotels. You'll also be able to indulge in some of the Disney 100 treats across the resort. Beginning as of May 1st, guests can enjoy the Disney 100 Petite Cake for a limited time at Amorette's in Disney Springs. This dessert has layers of vanilla chiffon, berry mousse, and berry compotes, all topped with the celebratory Disney 100 medallion macaron. More Disney 100 merch will also be coming to property as well, which includes the Disney 100 Cinderella Premium Bucket that will be exclusive to Magic Kingdom. While that will arrive at a later date, you'll be able to enjoy drinks and popcorn in the new Disney 100 refillable cups now at the Disney Resort hotels, and popcorn buckets at all 4 theme parks and Disney Springs. The celebration is just getting started at Walt Disney World, as more is said to be announced later on. As we continue to move past Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary, more decor has now been removed from Cinderella Castle. Disney has removed more of the 50th anniversary castle decor at Magic Kingdom. More bunting and other trimmings have been removed from the sides, as Disney now looks to remove the ones from the front of the castle. The moat surrounding Cinderella Castle has also been drained as part to remove the decor on the sides of the castle and eventually the turrets sometime in the near future. Once Disney removes all of the decor, the current paint scheme of Cinderella Castle is still currently set to remain though, as no changes for it to go back to its original colors are currently planned. Coming this summer, Ariel from the live-action version of The Little Mermaid will be coming to the Disney parks. Beginning in late May, Ariel is trading her fins for human legs and stepping into a world beyond the sea as she appears in the all-new live-action story The Little Mermaid, releasing in theaters May 26th. In celebration of the film's release, Ariel will be venturing out to select Disney parks where guests will get to meet her this summer. Guests will be able to meet Ariel from both the animated and live-action stories. When Ariel's adventures on land take her to Walt Disney World, guests will be able to meet her by visiting Walt Disney Presents at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Ariel invites guests to be part of her world, and for a limited time, see a special sneak peek and props from the film available at the Walt Disney Presents Theater. Out at the Disneyland Resort, Ariel will venture onto land to greet guests along the promenade near It's a Small World at Disneyland Park. Now into company news, releasing later this year, Disney has now shared their first trailer for their new upcoming animated film, Wish. Last week on Good Morning America, Walt Disney Animation Studios debuted the first trailer for Wish. The trailer introduces 17-year-old Asha, the powerful King Magnifico, Asha's pet goat, Valentino, and star a celestial ball of boundless energy that Asha's wish calls down from the sky. It also features the snippet of the song The Wish. The all-new musical comedy welcomes audiences to Rosas, a fantastical land located off the Iberian Peninsula. In Wish, Asha, a sharp-witted idealist, makes a wish so powerful that it is answered by bright cosmic force, a little ball of boundless energy called Star. Together, Asha and Star confront a most formidable foe, the ruler of Rosas, King Magnifico, to save her community and prove that when the will of one courageous human connects with the magic of the stars, wondrous things can happen. Wish opens exclusively in theaters on Wednesday, November 22nd, and if you want to check out that trailer, I'll leave a link to it in the description down below. Coming this month, Marvel has announced when Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania will be added to Disney+. Marvel Entertainment has announced that Ant-Man and the Wasp: Quantumania will premiere on Disney Plus in just 2 weeks on Wednesday, May 17th. In the film, Scott Lang and Hope Van Dyne return to continue their adventures as Ant-Man and the Wasp. Together with Hope's parents, Hank Pym and Jeanette Van Dyne, and Scott's daughter Cassie, the family finds themselves exploring the quantum realm, interacting with strange new creatures, and embarking on an adventure that will push them beyond the limits of what they thought was possible. Alright everyone, well that's all you for this week's episode of the Disney Roundup. Quick note, there will be no Disney Roundup again next week. Next week I'm actually going to be headed down to Walt Disney World, check in some of the newer things like Tron Light Cycle Run, see Happily Ever After once again, and some other things that I hope to share with you all on a later date. There will be a video posted next week though during my normal Disney Roundup posting time, so you can look forward to that. That's all you for this week though on today's episode of the Disney Roundup. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button for me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to receive the Disney Roundup each and every single week. That's all you for this week, and until next time, we'll see you on the DRU.